guys, it's still Jazzy and it's still the adventures of Jazzy. Yes, it's another day, and it's the second day of the hunting here in Sagamu of the Ipate. It's been wonderful, it's been nice, it has been a good experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's early in the morning, a lot is happening in my background. There's a lot of music because the DJ has been playing since yesterday and it's been crazy, man, but we are still here. Expect to see more kills today, expect to see more hunts today, so we are expecting to get more footages. So come along guys, it's gonna be a fun day. So this is what the morning is like in the camp. Everybody just woke up and I have seen some kills from the people that went for night hunting. The women with the wares are preparing their stuff, trying to make good with their stuff. The people are still just waking up. So everybody is here. It's a lot of fun. So these are some of the kills they got overnight. I think they dissected this in the left This is our sergeant Spoilt. He's very tight down overnight. So this is the morning routine in the camp. As you can see, everybody is having a good time. How could I do? Yes, sir. Some people are still sleeping, making breakfast. Just got back from the overnight hunt. The dogs, they are sharing the warmth of the fire while the bushmeat roasting on the top. We are preparing breakfast already and see the Eba is set. After lifestyle made the Eba for us. After Alpha now is taking some shots. And the chief server is Opa. Taiwo, look at me.
Don't worry.
Finish
it. Like this.
Jenny is supposed to be bitter because you have been taking sugar. That's why you have running stomach. Ato is the chef of the day. He's going to make the breakfast soup for us in the forest.
Have you cooked in the forest before?
Ato lifestyle doing his thing in the forest.
Do it. You need to mix it like this.
You know.
This is the pure pepper. What do you do? That's what I'm talking about.
After the chef.
I don't lọ́bẹ̀ ìjẹ̀bú gangan ọbẹ̀ hunter.
Why did you add water, sir?
It's too thick.
Oh, okay.
All right. Let the bushmeat come back. So we are supposed to rinse it with hot water.
Yeah, do that.
But we are in the forest.
Okay, so there's no reason.
We shouldn't do that. But let's do it because of people watching. Check this out. It's boiling already.
Maggie, why not put Maggie inside?
Maggie? We are in the forest, no Maggie.
No Maggie here. No Maggie zone. A máa ń jókòó lálọ́ pa. Àwọn gbogbo ìwà. Òbí lọ́wọ́ bí ṣe àwọn
ọwọ́ nìkan lè ń ṣe ẹ máa ṣojú ẹ náà kọ́ máa mọ̀ pé kí ìgbà ṣe
ọdún kọ ẹṣẹ Táíwò ọdún kọ ẹṣẹ.
Iyọ̀,
salt.
Yeah. So they're salting the pepper already.
This is how it is done in the forest, man. In the forest, man.
You do this.
How's it?
It's nice, but it needs a little bit of salt. Yeah. Oh my God!
This is in the forest, man. Check this out. This is used for soup in normal African setting.
Yeah.
This is
The best effort soup you can ever create.
This is really lovely. Someone just got it.
And it's fresh.
And it's fresh.
This in the town will cost like 500 to 1,000.
And he just went into the bush and he just cut it out.
Yeah.
That is the difference between the town and the forest.
Yes.
He wants to check the wow. Looking sumptuous already.
This one is small.
You have to manage, you are in the forest, bro. That's sticking. Alpha, how is the taste?
Black and maggie.
Still early morning and the rain wants to mess things up. So the rain everywhere is dark. The rain wants to fall. Well, we are still waiting. We are still waiting to see what will happen. We pray it doesn't fall, and a lot of people have done a lot of things about it, so it won't fall. But we're still waiting. There's no choice, guys. The rain is falling, and we had to eat. So we are eating in the car. Sitting in the car, you can see up already having a bike.
In the car.
Everybody is just trying to manage themselves, and this is the food. This is the situation on ground now. The rain is falling and it has refused to stop. So the hunters are thinking of postponing the hunt because it can't be possible again because they can't enter the bush while it's raining so hard. So some people are planning to leave already. It's a sad one, it's a sad one. But we are still here, we'll still see if there is any opportunity for us to hunt today. Let's see how it is. People are trying to find shelter beside the fire because of the cold. Then. So despite all the odds, the hunters are getting ready. They are getting ready to go into the forest now. They are getting ready to do today's hunting, and we are optimistic that wonders will happen. So let's see how it goes. Everybody is getting ready, getting their guns, preparing to move. The hunters are just getting back now. So we are waiting for the kills they got. So they got just one kill. It was a long day. It's night time and it's raining again. So we have to go and hide in the car. We have to go and just sit in the car for a moment. So and everywhere is sleeping. Everywhere is sleeping.